In mathematics, a power of 10 is any of the integer powers of the number 10, in other words, 10 multiplied by itself a certain number of times. By definition, the number 1 is a power of 10. The first few non-negative powers of 10 are 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. Positive powers. In decimal notation, the nth power of 10 is written as 1, followed by n zeros. It can also be written as 10n or as 1n in E notation. See order of magnitude and orders of magnitude for named powers of 10. There are two conventions for naming positive powers of 10, called the long and short scales. Where a power of 10 has different names in the two conventions, the long scale name is shown in brackets. Negative powers. The sequence of powers of 10 can also be extended to negative powers. Google. The number Google is 10,100. The term was coined by 9-year-old Milton Zeroth, nephew of American mathematician Edward Kastner. Popularized in his 1940 book Mathematics and the Imagination, it was used to compare and illustrate very large numbers. Googleplex, a much larger power of 10, was also introduced in that book. The name of this power of 10 inspired the name of the company Google. Scientific notation. Scientific notation is a way of writing numbers of very large and very small sizes compactly when precision is less important. A number written in scientific notation has a significant multiplied by a power of 10, sometimes written in the form m times 10n or more compactly as 10n. This is generally used to denote powers of 10. Where n is positive, this indicates the number zeros after the number, and where the n is negative, this indicates the number of decimal places before the number. As an example, 105 equals 100,000, 10 minus 5 equals 0.00001. The notation of men, known as E notation, is used in computer programming, spreadsheets and databases, but is not used in scientific papers.